This Canva Text to Video AI tutorial will be divided into 5 parts. Make sure you watch all these parts to better understand how Canva AI video generator works. You can get 50 free video credits per month using Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can try Canva Pro for free for 30 days using the link I provided in this video's description. So, let's get started. Part 1, Canva Text to Video AI. To access the Canva Text to Video AI feature, go to the Apps page and click the Try Magic Media button. Then, click the Use in New Design button and select the video option. After the Canva editor page opens, click the Video tab under the Magic Media panel. You can either use a sample prompt or describe the video you want to create using natural language in the prompt box. Click the Generate Video button to start generating your AI video. If you like the result, click the video to send it to the Canva editor page. And then click the play button to review your AI-generated video. Part 2, AI Video Style. To achieve better results, you can enhance your prompt by specifying a video style. The prompt format is as follows: subject plus and the style of plus video style. In this example, we will use the professional cinematography style. Click Generate Video to start generating your AI video. Here is a sample AI-generated video using the professional cinematography style. Part 3, AI Camera Style. You can customize your AI video camera style either at the beginning or end of your prompt. In this example, I will use the drone camera style. Here is a sample AI-generated video using the drone camera style. Part 4, AI Lens Style. You can also customize your lens style by adding the lens type at the beginning or end of your prompt. In this example, I will use the macro lens style. Here is a sample AI-generated video using the macro lens style. Part 5, Magic Morph. Now, let's add text to our video to make it more engaging. Click the text menu and select the Add Heading option. Type your text and adjust its size and font family if necessary. With your text selected, go to the Apps menu and type Morph in the search bar. Select the Magic Morph app. You can either use pre-made text styles or ask Canva AI to generate a new text style by describing the style you want in the prompt box. Click the Magic Morph button and choose the best result you prefer. You can now delete your original text. Additionally, you can add animation to your text by clicking the Animate menu and selecting an animation style from the list. Thank you for watching this AI tutorial video. For a more in-depth tutorial on Canva AI features, you can watch this video. See you.